How to write a cause and effect essay, step-by-step guide. Learn how to skillfully create a cause and effect essay in 6 easy steps. So, what is a cause and effect essay? It can be defined as a paper exploring reasons and their results. You must identify factors that lead to a specific consequence and underline the logical connection between them. Now, let's list 6 steps to a successful essay writing. They are as follows. Brainstorm and come up with a topic. Make up a strong thesis. Arrange points from the thesis into body paragraphs. Create your first draft. Review your draft in search of any issues. Correct issues and expand the draft. Let us take a closer look at each step. Step 1. Brainstorm and come up with a topic. You should brainstorm your essay topic by going through your interests, speaking with friends, or browsing online topics for perfection. Remember that you must have both a cause plus an effect for exploring. Step 2. Make up a strong thesis. For a cause and effect essay, it's crucial to end the introduction with a compelling thesis statement that encapsulates your argument in one powerful sentence, instantly engaging the readers. Step 3. Arrange points from the thesis into body paragraphs. Crafting an outline with dedicated paragraphs for each thesis point streamlines your writing, keeping ideas organized and simplifying the overall process. Step 4. Create your first draft. Drafting your cause and effect essay is a vital step that streamlines the writing process, setting a solid foundation for later refinement and research integration. Step 5. Review your draft in search of any issues. Thoroughly review your cause and effect paper draft, identifying weak points or uneven paragraphs, and if necessary, take a break before revisiting for a fresh perspective on the essay. Step 6. Correct issues and expand the draft. Now refine your cause and effect essay by addressing identified weaknesses in the draft, enhancing each paragraph from the introduction onward with detailed ideas and clear links, and ensuring it meets the required word count. These were 6 steps to effective cause and effect essay writing. We suggest that you grab a pen and put them into practice right away.